Okay, in this video I want to show you how to open and use the Chrome extension if that's the option you wanted to use for your desktops. Okay, you're going to come right here to the website. You're going to see right on the third option here, Chrome Web Store. It's going to bring you over to here, and you're just going to download the attachment. You're going to open it up, and it's going to be just like creating any other Tronlink wallet. You're going to pick an account name, put in your password. You're going to have to put it in twice and make sure that you write it down somewhere safe. Then it's going to come up with these 12 recovery words. Actually do have to write them down word for word and in the right order, because you will have to put them back in to verify that you did write them down. You want to keep them offline so that they're not accessible to anybody on your computer. This is basically the key to your wallet, to any assets you have in your wallet, so you want to keep them safe and private. Once you do that, you'll have this little icon show up, the Tronlink icon. You can click on it, and you'll be able to see your wallet right here. Okay, this is where you're going to be interacting, and when you're ready to go on to DAISY, I'll show you how to do that in another video.